X.
Can you hold it?
4. You have to hold it like that way. Okay, so let's start off with it's Clyde. Lugia break. And we have a Lugia break in it. It says the code. I'm gonna like 1, 2, 3. Put that in the front. Energy blast. Here, I'm gonna put that right there. Servine. Ultra Ball. Seal. Diglett. I see an EX on the back. Snivy. Coughing. Larvesta. Veradrop Reverse. Glaceon Full Art EX. That is sick. That's definitely going to sleep. I think that's worth some good money too. He's moving. Want me to hold it?
No, it's alright.
Out of a Zygarde thing, we got the Zygarde pack. I want the Lugia break. I think there's a Lugia break in this set. That's what I want the most. Team Rocket's handwork. Fairy Garden. Braxton. Fennekin, right after the Braxton. Volibee. Larvesta. Cottony. Coughing. Snowball Reverse. Grumping. It's kind of dark, sorry about that. We're in the washing machine.
In the washing machine?
Not in the washing machine, it's car wash. In the washing machine. Can only have evolution spec. Where's my tin?
I still have it up here.
Okay. We'll do that in a different video.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
We have a Kakuna. Full Heal. Choke. Magikarp. Oh, sorry, you couldn't see it. Electabuzz. Rattata. Growlithe. Nidoran Mail. Versatile Duo. Woohoo! Raichu Hollow! Let's go on.
It's about to get loud.
Come on. You can do it.
Yeah, open it from the side. They're easier right there, yeah.
I couldn't get it.
Oh, there you go.
Finally. Oh, and Happy New Year's! Is this fake? No. GX. I see EX4 in the back. Dude. Nidoran male.
It's about to get loud.
Ponyta. Drowsy. Electabuzz. Vulpix. Reverse Voltorb.